Keep mixing it.
And we turn it around.
Yep. Pick one up. Yep, all the way up. Then put it back in. Pick the other one up. Yep.
So I can
Pick one up and show me one. What's that?
eat
Marinated lamb backstrap.
marinade. What's that?
Marinated lamb backstrap. So what's in there? What are the ingredients?
Is it parsley?
Yep. What else?
I don't know.
What else did we put in there? We put something else in there.
Lemon. What's that?
And what was the one that started with P? Paprika. Not poo. Paprika.
Another paprika.
Cumin.
Lemon.
Coriander.
Yep.
And olive oil. Okay, that's it. Done.
No, it's not that.